Hello friends, welcome to Online Technique. Dear friends, today I have come to you with a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove sound problems in Windows 10 because we get into a lot of troubles if we don't have sound in our computer. So watch the video to the end without skipping to solve the problem. I believe that after watching the video, you can do the tasks easily. Dear friends, before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. Dear friends, see my PC has a red cross mark on the taskbar sound icon. Now go to the left side corner bottom of the desktop and click in the search box. Now type in the search box device manager, DEVICE device manager, MANAGER. After typing device manager, press enter key from the keyboard. Then you will see such a window. Now go down slowly and see there is a option named sound, video and game controllers. Under it you will see two options. Now click right button of the mouse on the first option named high definition audio device. Then you will see some options. From here click on enable device. Later click right button of the mouse on the second option named high definition audio device. Then you will see some options. From here click on enable device. Dear friends, now close this window. Now go to the right side corner bottom of the desktop on the taskbar and see the red cross sign has been removed from the sound icon. Now you can hear sound from audio and video. Dear friends, in this way you can remove sound problems in Windows 10. Dear friends, if you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.